Oh no, my passport is gone.
Wait, where's my passport? I just landed in Los Angeles.
This is my first time in America.
I walk through the airport.
There are many people everywhere.
I finally reach the airport exit. I want to call a taxi. But first, I check my bag. Where is my passport?
Maybe it is in my pocket.
Maybe it is in my backpack.
No, it is not here either. Did I lose my passport? This cannot be happening. I look on the floor. But I do not see anything. I must go back inside. Excuse me, I lost my passport.
Where did you last see it?
I think at the security checkpoint. At the immigration desk.
Let us check the lost and found.
Hello, did someone find a passport? Let me check.
What is your name?
My name is Alex.
One moment, please. Yes, this is your passport.
Is this yours? Yes, that's my passport! Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Happy travels.
I appreciate it. You are lucky someone gave it to us. Now I can finally leave the airport. Traveling is not always easy. But today, I learned something important. Now let's call a taxi. The taxi finally arrives. Hi, can you take me to my hotel? Finally, I am on my way.
Los Angeles looks amazing. I finally reach my hotel. Hi, I want to check in. Thank you very much. Finally, I relax.
Today was stressful, but I learned to always check my passport. Traveling can be challenging, but rewarding.